Huh?
I said, you doing it?
Yeah. I'm trying to get the support over. So I can't give him. I want to give my music to play. There you go. Yeah, it's working. I can see there's one person on there. Hi! I'm live! So my family want to come out here now, like right when I'm about to go live. What are you doing? Get out. Get out. All right. I am just going live so I can do some sublimation, show you guys some blanks we got in, and just do some crafting. So if you want to be here with me, you can be here with me. If you can't be here with me, that's cool too. But if you can hear me, can you please type saying that you can hear me or not? Whoever's in here, I don't know who's in here. Can you hear me? Oh, okay. Okay, good. All right. Well, now I'm getting hot over here because I'm by the heat press. But I'm about to show y'all some stuff that I do here in Flossy Design, and show y'all some stuff in Flossy Blanks. Oh, now I can see it on the screen over there. Hey, Mama. All right. So today, what I'm doing is we got these like cushions, stadium seat cushions. Is the music loud? Because if the music's loud, I don't want to see like I'm yelling at y'all. But if y'all can hear me, that's a good thing. Like, if the music's not too loud, let me know. Do I need to turn it down a notch or up a notch? But I can see it now on the portal, so I guess it's working. But so we got these seat cushions in, and I'm gonna press these today. We got some more of our subbing stones, so I'm gonna press one of these on the live today. And we got some. I'm gonna do a lot. I'm gonna do some shirts, sublimation shirts. I'm gonna do some vinyl lettering, some transfers for you. This is a transfer here on this shirt. This is so pretty. But we ran out of these transfers in our blank store. But we're gonna do some two-sided dog tag necklaces that we got. So they double-sided. So I got two pictures here that I'm gonna sublimate on. I got a lot of stuff to do. So I just said I'm gonna go live and I'm gonna show y'all what I do. So with these, any type of sublimation, I stick to 380 for 120 seconds. Normally, there's other things like that stone. It's gonna be 400 for 260 seconds. This I might only do for 60 seconds. But there's different times and temps for a lot of stuff. But here in our store, we have a lot of different things. I'm a 380, 120 girl. Most of my stuff is 380 degrees at 120 seconds. But that doesn't count for everybody. Everybody don't do that. So some people can do it for less time. And I got to do what I got to do when I get it right. So I'm going to start with these dog tags. So whenever you do sublimation, and I'm here on my portal so it'll zoom in when I'm doing stuff. It'll come over to me so to show y'all that what I'm doing. But hold on, I don't even have to have that on no more. I can see y'all. Hold on 1 second. Tag. All right. So I'm gonna start with these. It's two pictures. Young man lost his mother to I believe it was cancer. So I'm gonna do a dog tag. He was playing football. You're gonna put this where the paper is up. He was playing football the other day with us for our team, and his dog tag came off, or his mom's picture came off, and we wasn't gonna be able to find it in the crowd. So I decided to make him something new. I'll go ahead and I'm gonna press this. Make sure you got firm pressure, and I'm gonna do 120 seconds for this. Cover it with paper, just so you'll know. Oh shoot, hold on. All right, here we go. So we're gonna redo that for him. And turn my music up a little bit more. Because I love my music. I love vibing while I'm working. So we're going to finish that. We're going to do this next. We're probably going to do the shirts next. I want to show you some designs that I did. So this is one of my Black History Month designs that we did. I'm going to put that on the shirt. Little sexy mama. My black is beautiful. And then we got another one. I'm just here for the shenanigans. This is super cute. So just gonna go on some shirts. I'm gonna go ahead and do some shirts with these. I'm gonna probably give these shirts away because I'm practicing up. And this is the design that's gonna go on the seat cushion. It's gonna go on the cushion. So that's gonna go on here. Black women are dope, little drip design. So we're gonna do a bunch of stuff today, try to get a lot of stuff done that I need to get done. All right. This is almost done. It's at 40 seconds. So once it's done, I'm gonna show y'all what that look like. You gotta wear heat gloves for this type of stuff, and you need to have a weeder so you can get the tape off so you don't have to touch it. Let me get that. If I can find one. So I hope y'all can still hear me and stuff. 3 seconds. I'm gonna show y'all what these look like. So with sublimation, you know when stuff is on there when you see it through the paper. If you can see it through the paper, that's a good thing. There's some papers out there you can't see through the paper, so I guess that's a fame to claim that you can't see through. But I want to see my picture through, so I know that it's on the object, on the item. I'm gonna go ahead and take the tape off. Oh, this is so pretty. Show y'all. Let me get some better light. So this is In Love and Memory, and it says Mom down here. And then the other picture is his family picture with his mom, and it say Family First. And those, like, I can hold it in my hand already. It's already cool to the touch. So what you do is, for this necklace, the crafters that are gonna buy it for they people, for this customized, it'd be 15. Customized 15. But the blank, of course, if you're gonna make it yourself, you gotta go on the website and look at the pricing for it. It'd be 15 custom because it is double-sided. Let me use my tweezers. I put these tweezers over here for a reason. So you're gonna take this paper off, sticky paper. And it's got a sticky coating right there. All you're gonna do is take that. Now what I will do is I will come back later and I'll take it off and I'll put a dab of glue behind it because I want it to be secure on there, especially because he played football with these type of things. So we have a lot of different kinds, different ones of these dog tags. We got just a plain single-sided dog tag. It don't come with like this frame around it. There's a dog tag with the chain, and we have the ones that got the diamonds around them. Those are nice too. I made a lot of those for my people. Picture of their dad. Get that in there. So it's a little dope little memory thing for him and his mom and them. And then you just clean that off with some alcohol. But this is Looks pretty dope. Alright, so that's the first thing I did. I'm gonna go ahead and do I'm gonna go and do the seat cushion. So this cushion will be next. So like I said, the paper just gonna go on there. I don't always tape everything down because I can put the stuff on there and know where it gotta be placed. But some people have to use tape to put their stuff on there. Now butcher paper, you should always use butcher paper though. So I'm gonna take this paper now. I know that this thing is super flat, so I'm gonna adjust my pressure for my heat press. So I'm gonna do the same, almost the same time. Gotta test it out.
Carolina X.
So you don't want to have too much pressure, but you want to have enough pressure. This is super cute though. I love this. This is so pretty. That's gonna be so pretty. He's gonna love that. Alright, and this is for a family of mine that I love to death, so I'm gonna do this stone for them. It's a big stone, heavy stone that come with 2 feet to sit it in. Super nice. Okay, you want to order one? Okay, cool. I got you. Alright. Yeah, I can still see comments over here on my other screen. I have to look at over there. So with these type of the neoprene, I think that's what it's called. Like any type of that foamy type of sublimation stuff, you don't have to press it for long. You just gotta make sure you get the pressure right. So I'm gonna lift this because it's already been in there long enough. Let me put my glove on. So this, I could have went down a little bit further, but that turned out pretty dope. But you can go down further, so you just make your design a little bit bigger, a little bit wider. But that's pretty dope. And that's just one of them little seat cushions that you just sit on at the games. That's nice. Now we're gonna do a t-shirt. So when you get these t-shirts, I say at least 90% polyester. Count for these. Some people say you can go low as 65, but I don't think the color turns out that bright with 65 count, 65% polyester. So you want to make sure you got a good count so the picture will turn out good on your shirt. You're always going to line up 3 inches from the bottom of the collar, so 3 inches from here is where your design goes, okay? I'm going to do 120 seconds on that too. I'm going to go ahead and use my Black History Month one. Get your ruler. And all I do is I take the 3, got the 3 right here on here. I line it up from right here. If the design stops where my ruler is, that's when you know you're good.